Hi, is it possible to ride your skateboard in some light snow? It just started snowing. Try to go ahead and attempt it. I got traction control on. Nope. I'm getting stuck. So the main reason is because you get all this stuff stuck on your belts. So I think I'm gonna stop it here. Oh my god, it's so crazy. It just started snowing like literally an hour ago. Let's go ahead and take a look what happened here. So the snow really gets in between. It just clogs it up. Yeah, the snow just clogs up the belt. Yeah, I don't recommend it. Well, there goes my experiment.